nasty.
Hey, what's up guys? My name is Armando Gonzales. I'm always leaving 10 bags everywhere. But yeah, mate, I'll be showing y'all some tips right here at the office, South Focus Studios. So let's go check it out. Hey, what's up guys? So today we're gonna freaking show y'all the advanced techniques or basics to advance on portraits on studio, and a little bit more of the layers, curves, masks, where it can be implemented towards any subject, object, anything really. So let's do this.
Bill, I'm in my feelings, fuck you caught me in my feelings, cause I told my nigga Esco that we bout to make a killing. Marco, bring the motherfucking beat back, let a nigga repeat that.
Right now I'm going to show you the portrait style that I work with and that I do, and let's see, let's check them out.
Yeah, and it's clear to these.
And they're really simple, not really hardcore, so let's check them out. So I love working with black and whites a lot, adding a lot of texture to the image and a lot of contrast to it, which I love. Plus the colors, you can really tell about the contrast that I work with. Not that much difficult, and all of this was achieved just using ring light. So yeah, it's pretty interesting. And make sure to check out the full resolution images on our website at www.softfocustudios.com. The link is down below. And make sure to subscribe to see the first tip. Thank y'all.
True love, they say it's real, I suppose. Why the fuck you looking at me like I'm supposed to know? Why do I rap? I just do it for the gold.